This is how to apply an improvised tourniquet using a triangular bandage and a pen. Okay, so if our wounds where this X is, we're going to place our improvised tourniquet 2 or 3 inches above that. Take your triangular bandage out of the packet and roll it so it's nice and thin and flat. Place the bandage above the wound and tie one overhand knot in the middle of the bandage. Pull it as tight as you can and then take a pen or another long thin implement and put another knot around that. Pull it tight. And now twist this round to create the pressure required. Turn it as many times as needed to stop the wound bleeding. Once the wound has stopped bleeding, just a wrap or two around whatever you've used, come back under and tie a knot to stop it moving. Once you've applied the tourniquet, make sure you know what time you applied it and either write it on the bandage using another pen or just make sure you tell the emergency services when they arrive so they know what time it was applied. Don't cover it up so we know a tourniquet has been applied. If the wound doesn't stop bleeding, you can do another one above it. Never remove a tourniquet. Let the doctors or the medical staff at the hospital do that.